Okay, we just finished lunch. Was it good?
It was very good. Do we have another second lunch?
Second lunch, part 2.
Part 2.
And it's very close too. We don't have to walk very far. Across the street. And there's a coffee 38 up here. Do you want a coffee?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes, sir. Some policemen.
Yeah.
They're looking at us.
They can be in the vlog if they want.
Specifically at you.
Yeah. I'm sure they're usually the biggest guys.
This is the 38 coffee?
Yeah. Do you want one?
Yeah. Hello, ate. Hello, ma'am.
Oh.
Wow, they have different kinds of flavors.
Strawberry.
Ma'am, ang available naman kay caramel macchiato, ice choco, strawberry yakult, strawberry latte, blueberry latte, o green apple yakult naman. Wala tayo matcha, buke,
Wala yung blueberry
mocha.
sad?
Oh, naa ma'am. Blueberry yakult. Blueberry latte ma'am.
Blueberry. Mm.
What do you want?
No, I'm okay.
What do you want, sir?
No, nothing for me. I'm okay.
Nothing for you, sir? This one.
What is that?
Ang sabi siya, te?
Kanang coffee beans ma'am, display.
Ah, coffee beans.
Oh.
We also have like Santo Niño in here.
As always, as you should. Only 38 pesos for this coffee, which is like 65 cents. So we're gonna wait and get this coffee, and then we'll go get some more food. Bye.
These are really. These are me drinks too.
Buko?
Boko. Oh, buko. You want some buko?
Usa. One only, please.
One only for him. Because I already have my blueberry.
Salamat.
We're sweating a lot.
Yeah, I sweat everywhere, so it's okay. We had to come back so you could try it. So they have the hot sauce.
And I think they already know you.
Memorable, yeah. It's easy to remember me. Vinegar.
I think you really like the lumka in here. Because you ordered 3 for you and 1 for me. I think Auntie was happy to see you.
It's really good. I mean, it's really good. It's like spicy. It's got the bean sprouts, carrots, cabbage. Looking at my bald head in the camera is weird.
I was like doing that because, you know, the light.
The light. You want to try?
Got some plastic in here. I should have.
What do you think?
I love it because it has munggos. Munggos in there. One of my favorite food is munggos.
I've already finished the first.
Me with the 38 pesos blueberry drink. Tastes so delicious.
It tastes like real blueberry.
It tastes like it has a lot of milk and blueberry in there.
Not much coffee.
One of my favorite too is blueberry.
It's delicious.
Shout out to 38.
Shout out.
Shout out. Shout out.
Do you want to try it with a different sauce?
Sana may neighbors run. Happy.
I'm gonna try it with the ketchup.
Giant guy eating the.
It has a lot of meat in it too. It's like ground pork. I like it. And it's 25 pesos, so it's like what, less than 50 cents each.
Lumpia ni Senyang.
Lumpia ni Senyang, yeah. We'll try the buko.
Over there.
Chunky. Very
It's even
chunky.
like buko in your mouth when you drunk that.
It's good. I think the one we had in Talisay was better.
The one in Talisay?
Do you want to try?
Yeah. I think there's a lot of like sugar in this one. Yeah. Not so milky, but it has a lot of bucos. I think buko. We drank some buko. We drank some blueberry. All our fruits. Fruits and veggies and pork.
All right, we're gonna finish eating, and then we'll get back to you. Hopefully it doesn't rain on us, but we'll see you soon. Bye. All right, guys, we left the lumpia place, and now we're getting, I don't know, spending some time in the park.
In the park, it's almost like dark right now because it says like the weather.
It says it's gonna rain. Let's see. Let me see the sky. It's dark. It's like noon now, like 12, so it should be bright. It should be hayag,
Hayag.
but it's wala hayag.
Some kids were like asking me for money.
Yeah, they asking me for money. A lot of them actually.
And they were like saying to you, money, money, money. Money, money, money.
Yeah. If I gave everyone money who asked me for money, I would not have any money. So I can't really do that.
And you'll just live off of me.
Yeah, I would just live.
Ako'y mabuhi niya.
But we did buy that the dong who was sitting next to us. We bought him food and then his sister food.
Yeah, because they're living, just both of them. They only have each other, so
Yeah.
it's really hard. Their parents doesn't go to their house anymore.
Yeah, their parents left them. He's 11, she's 17. Now she's working in the market. But we saw
Are you
him.
doing the interview, right?
Yeah, she was interviewing him, but I saw him eating like one shao mai, and I was like, is that all he's gonna eat? And then
That's his lunch already.
we asked, and that was all he could afford. So we bought him a bunch more, and then we got some for his sister to take, so they could eat. Cause like that's crazy that they can. One
was
shao
like-
mai is like a bite.
It was like MMK, like
Yeah.
a television in here in in the Philippines. It's like malaala mo kaya, like that's his story.
It was very sad, and he wasn't asking for anything. He was, in fact, he seemed kind of ashamed to take anything. So
And he was timid.
very timid. So
Yeah.
you know, that's good. Hey,
Uy, dapat sayaw.
we got a dance. Oh wow, he's got a good dance. Wow.
We wish you. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Maying
Wow.
Pasko.
Okay, 10 pesos.
Me too.
You too. You too. You for
Thank
both?
you.
Then
Thank
for you,
you,
my friend.
Thank you. Sayo dapon. Thank you. Thank you. He said like,
Very good.
they wish us to, like have a lot of money.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you
Is that what he was dancing?
He was dancing that.
Nice little Christmas dance. I think it's definitely gonna rain.
Yeah. Well, we'll just see you guys later then.
Okay. At least they dance for the money. Like they
Wish us more money to
Yeah,
come.
okay, good. We got a blessing. We got a cute little dance and song. So we're all good. We'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye. Okay. We got some kamote. Sweet potato. It's still hot.
Snacks, right?
Oh.
Snacks?
The sugar on the outside is caramelized. It's very nice. Lami? It's like candy, but with a potato inside. And huge chunks.
Some kid is now like asking you for. Huh? Kani mo ha? Kaning gikaw ni kuya? Huh?
Do you want some of this?
Yeah. Maybe you can give some of it to them. There you go. Tagsa mo, tagsa. Unsa isulti ni kuya?
Thank you.
Wala sa pa yan.
Ana sa tayo sa. Eh? Hi.
That's right.
Yeah. Kids were just like happy. You gave them like half of your snacks. Like, thank you, kuya.
That's pretty good, isn't it?
Mm.
And I still got a penne pie.
At least they didn't ask for the pinay pie. We're just asking half of your food for the kamote.
Oh, spilling sugar.
Ah. Zoom in.
It's not as good as the other one I had. And the other one was only, I think, 10. This one was 20.
So it's like twice that of it.
It's crispy. We asked for the crispy one.
What's the Bisaya crispy? Crispy?
Crispy. Crispy, huh?
Both of us were like,
It's like crispy ba. Hey, you want a bite?
It's so big. It's like his point of view.
We're lucky the rain stayed away so far. We got our whole trip in.
It was delicious, right? The kamote was so good.
You want some more of the penne pie?
No, I'm good. I'm good, sir.
Give the rest to the kids.
No. There's other kids would be like asking, but I give them to them.
Oh, different kids? Okay.
Do you want to give them more? Yeah?
I don't know, maybe they like it.
Let's give it to them. Kuya! Kuya! Come on! Dali! Tama mo ha! Tama mo ha! Tayo sabi. Thank you! Thank you, kuya!
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome.
They always just like, you know.
They always do a cute little dance.
Like me. Like I'm the leader. The leader of the kids. We'll be having the liga for now.
Fast? Pas.
They're running so much.
All right, I think we're gonna try to pick up some protein powder while we're here. Hopefully the rain stays away. Okay, we'll be back. Oh, we got some more food?
Guyabano flavor. It looks like it's boko.
Yeah, it just tastes like condensed milk. What is that? That at the corner.
Ang saan kanini siya, Ting? Landang. For like small, you know, like for binignit.
What?
For binignit.
Benignit.
Yeah.
Is it sweet?
No.
Is it meat?
No. Just like a bola-bola. Like this.
Ah,
Part of this.
okay.
Used for the binignit, babe. You've tried binignit, right?
No,
No?
no.
Like the violet thing?
Ah, really? Was? Shout out? Shout out.
What?
He was staring and I was like, shout out.
I gave the Lola 5 pesos.
Ah, that's nice of you.
Yeah, when I saw like the one who was with her, he doesn't have a hand.
Oh. No thank you, sir.
I'll just give them some 5 pesos since I still have it in my pocket.
Puto bambang with cheese. That's good.
Have you tried that?
I think it's the cheese for me. Alright guys, we found the protein powder. We got our guayabano. Guyabano? I think that's, I don't know. Somebody let me know what guyabano fruit is. But we got the protein powder. I think we're done.
Yeah, we're done. And you also hit your head.
Yeah, I scratched my head on, everything is too low here. So like the roofs of buildings hit me in the head. This was an aircon unit. So we're gonna go grab the bus and go home.
Oh, there's a shoe place in there.
That's the shoe place from my last video.
Oh,
you wanna go
yeah.
look? Yeah. Okay, we'll see if we can find shoes for her. They don't have them for me. I already asked Kuya and they only have 45, so. We also got lanzones. I'm gonna try to make ice candy from lanzones. So we'll see, we'll have another video of that when I do another cooking video. So, all right guys, we'll see you later. Bye.